Hello everyone, T-Duck67 here. Yes, I just wanted to show you a little of my home because I think you deserve it because I haven't made a video in the longest time, of course, as you know. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little tour. I don't know why, I'm just bored. Videos, in my room, pretty cool. Got a bunch of stuff. Buy this game, just to let you know. ODST, okay? So, what I really talk about is, I only got 1 minute left because of my memory. I gotta get a new one. Don't worry, I'll get that. School, alright? School, as we all know, is annoying. It's so much homework. But we do make a lot of friends, and I am in the 8th grade now, so, as you know. But I was in my class for a whole 8 years since 1st grade. And, get this magazine. And, yeah, they're awesome. And Woodrow Wilson School, like one of the best schools in New Jersey. And I have great friends there, and they're really nice girls, and you know who you are. But yeah, so I said I'll make more videos, I guess, one of these days. I'll make another video after this, and okay. See you guys later, and